your star heart, first go to the overlay and search for white in the library. You will find white paper there. Select it, make it full screen, and fix it. Now split it and set the size to 0.3. After that, go to the mask and choose any shape you like. I selected the star. Divide the 0.3 into two parts. After dividing, select the first part and go to the mask. Click on the arrow under the star and use the blur effect. Then, go to the second part and apply the same blur. After blurring, you'll see an invert option at the bottom. Click on it. Now, we need to add a keyframe to this part. Pay close attention to this process. Add the first keyframe at the beginning of the clip. Then go to the end of the video and zoom in on your star mask. This will create a transition. If anyone still has confusion, they can reach out to me on Instagram. The link is in the description. Lastly, a small request. Please like, subscribe, and share feedback in the comments. Thanks.